Shock and air, we are now boarding. Please, everyone, come on into the airplane. The lift off will be in 5 minutes. Please come onto the airplane. I'm sorry, but my name is Fiona, dear, but, where are we going exactly? Miss Fiona, we are going to London, England. I presume because of your accent, that is where you've grown up. Oh yeah, I'm visiting my parents. Sorry, I'm very forgetful. Where is my luggage exactly? It's in the overhead carriage. We did not seal it or anything. Oh, okay. I was just wondering. I wasn't sure, but oh well. Great. To make things a little less awkward, I'm gonna go sit down. Sorry. Yeah. Where are we going? We're going to London, England. Okay. Huh. Anyone else? We are now boarding airlines for Shock and Air. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm very forgetful. What time was the plane supposed to take off? It's supposed to take off in 2 minutes, apparently. Yeah. Well, we're going to London. We have your packages and everything in the airline. If you need anything, don't unbuckle. Just if you need to use the litter box, just go to the back of the airplane. Okay, great. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Air's now gonna take off in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We are now boarding to London, England. You may unbuckle your seatbelts. Oof. That flight was crazy. And I'm Fiona, dear. Okay, yeah. Where am I going? Where's my luggage? How did we get our luggage if it's all the way up there? Sorry to complain or anything, but... well... Yes, 1 second, miss. It is... up there. Let me fly to open it. What the heck? What did you do that for? Oh, I'm so sorry, miss. I do not want to get fired. Just, please, don't get fired. And go sit down. Everything will be okay. I'm so sorry, miss. Ugh. Hi, I'm Fiona and I forgot my luggage. Oh, great. My luggage just fell everywhere. Oh, okay. Well, I have a green water bottle. Oh, it's over there. Thanks. What am I forgetting? I'm forgetting my book. There's your book. Okay, I'm gonna get going. By the way, if you're lonely, because I'm trying not to meet new people in England, I really shouldn't be giving my address out. But you seem like a nice person. My address is 555-299 Cater Street. Oh, my aunt lives right next to you. Maybe I could come visit you sometime. Great. My name's Fiona. What's yours? Vivian. Vivian Wood. Not a great reputation to have that last name. Even though my family just died yesterday, and I really am depressed lately. So great. Man, I should stop talking less depressing stuff. That's why I have to live with my aunt. I think I'm old enough to live on my own, but yeah. Well, sorry for your loss, miss. Oh, it's okay. Just call me Vivian. Sorry, I have to go now. My aunt's waiting. She seems nice. She has a depressing life now, so. I wonder how old she is. She's probably my age, though. Ah, the dog! Ugh, I hate my cousins. Why the heck does she have to live here? Because on her family's will, it says she has to live here. So, Sylvia, dear, please stop and be kinder towards your cousin. I'm sure she'll try to be kind to you if you're kind to her. Just talk to her the way you want her to be talked to, okay? Okay. Fine, Mom. I'll be inside my room if you need me. And Eloise, and Eloise. Ugh, I'm going up to my room. Oh, hi, dear. Hi, dear. Hi, Eloise. Would you like to come see where you might sit down? It is right in here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I was just in kind of a trance there for a slight second. Oh, dear me. Never mind. Sorry. Well, would you like to sit down in our living room? Sure, I'd love to sit down. My plane trait is terrible. Terrible? I was just going to ask you about that. What happened? At the boarding station, I was almost late. I forgot my passport. I almost forgot my passport, so I had to run home again when I was driving there. That's why I was almost late. Getting on there, it was a hassle. Didn't know what to say. It was random. There's this random crazy girl yelling the entire time. She's kind of nice, though. I told her what happened, and she said she was really sorry for what happened. And she seemed pretty nice. Apparently, she's your neighbor. Oh, I know her. Her name is, Fiona. She's rather nice. She loves to garden and sing all the time, although she's not the best at it. I heard she plays some instruments. Like me? Yes, like you. My bookworm. My bookworm and these. Sorry. I'm so sorry for what happened to your mother and father. Well, it's nothing. Kind of something, but it's not the world to me. Even though my parents died and I had no siblings. Well, hopefully Clara will seem as if a sister to you. Maybe. She's kind of rude last time I saw her, though. Oh, she's Claire. She's Claire. That's all I can say right now. Not to be a rude mother, at least. Well, here's the kitchen in here. The kitchen is right here. Help yourself to whatever you'd like. Dining room. Our house is rather small, so I don't have room for much. The room is a little blonde. Sorry. I couldn't really run to the store or anything to pick up furniture. We're rather poor, since England doesn't have much. Well, I'm going to have to brush up on my England accent, aren't I? Maybe. Oh, well, sorry. I'm sure our neighbors will be happy to meet you. The house is magnificently small. When I say magnificently, I mean magnificently. They don't have much. All they have is a slight bit of a kitchen, slight bit of a living room, and slight bit of a bedroom for the only an eldest daughter, Fiona. I feel so bad for them that I would almost offer them stuff, but I am too poor. I'm sorry. I am way too poor. They sound lovely, I'm sure. Kind of. If you'd like to go meet Fiona, she's up there in her bedroom, moaning about you coming and how much attention she's not going to get. She gets plenty of attention. She's the center of attention at her school. Oh, sorry, I talk way too much. Let's go. Oh, where can I put my bags? Oh, your bedroom. I'll keep them down here for right now. I'll tell you where your bedroom is when you come back down from talking to Fiona. Not Fiona. Clara. Oh well. Just talk to her first and it'll make everything more legible. Okay. What? Talk to her first or else you don't get into your bedroom. Sorry, Eloise. Sorry. Sorry. Hello? Clara? What? You see her moaning. Clara, are you okay? I'm upset right now. I don't get what I want, and my mom's only going to pay attention to you because you're new here. And oh my gosh, that's all she ever pays attention to. No? Wait. Huh? That doesn't make quite sense. She's always ever talking to. Huh. Odd. Are you okay? Vivian, are you okay? Sorry, I'm fine. just thinking about something. Something rather odd. Well, be aware and be okay. It'll be fine. Cross my heart. Somewhat. Well, you better hurry and go get unpacked. It's gonna be a long day from here on out. Aunt Eloise said I had to get something for you to go to my room. Oh, piano sheet of paper if you'd like to play. A little bit of storage area. Password to your computer. Password is Claire is the greatest. Are you kidding me? I don't want to have to type that in. Ugh, no. It's Husky Chicken. Mom made me give you that password. She said it was your everything. Ugh. Why couldn't she tell me? She's been depressed lately. Depressed about something that happened. Don't know what. Well, go ahead and make yourself comfortable upstairs. Great. Hopefully it's not a wretched room considering you say it's great. Oh, it must be great. Well, this is rather nice. I like this room. It's really, really great. I'm sure I can go shopping for something soon. I better hurry to get unpacked. It's in the middle of the night here. Suitcase up there. Art palette. Book. My favorite violin. Thanks, guys. Watch episode 2 soon. It'll be uploaded today. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like. I know I'm kind of a newbie, so sorry. Make sure to like, guys. Thank you so much for watching.